friend. Today we will discuss only three formula, which is most simple formula in Excel, and we most love it when the someone asks for the formatting. So first formula is upper, second formula is lower, and third one is proper. So firstly, we will discuss only upper. So we start with the equal to or plus upper, then we select only text and we get all the text in capital letter. And the next one is lower, we get all the letter in small, like here. You can see E, B, and B, E in capital, but the answer is all the letter in small. And third one is proper. So proper means first letter is capital and all letter in small. So yes, this one is proper. I also here I want my name in lowercase. This one is lowercase. I want my name in uppercase. So in uppercase, I want my name in proper case. So I use proper case. So these three formulas are very simple and it is most useful when we are doing formatting. And in further classes, we will discuss and on concatenate formula. So thank you so much. And one more thing, I will try to make videos in Hindi or maybe mix videos in upcoming videos. So I try to make, because my one of adjustment advised me to make videos in Hindi. So I will try it. Thank you so much, my dear friend.